Alright, sorry I didn't film any of that, but I just got the headlight lens off. It was actually extremely easy. Christian Smith and Greg Bernard, I think, have videos on this. You literally just use a heat gun, heat it up around the lip. I wouldn't recommend using a flathead screwdriver because it's metal and it started to crack almost, so I used plastic tire lever to separate it. And I'm just going to use some sealant, reseal it back up. I'm just going to make sure you get rid of all the excess sealant along the rim and clean them out. Clean up all the gunk.